In this video, I want to share with you some prompts and designs from the 100 prompt word file that you receive as a gold member. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Wednesday, May 22nd, 5:07 p.m., sitting at 54 sales, 3 returns, $60 in royalties. That is going to put me at 1,502 sales for the month and $2,193 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you've been following my channel, as of late, you know that I'm offering memberships now, bronze, silver, and gold. And when you're a gold member, you get a word file at the beginning of every month for 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. And I actually just finished the word file, so that's why I want to make this video. And the way that the word file is comprised is basically in sections. So you're going to have like 20 food niches, 20 animal niches, 20 career niches, 20 health and awareness niches, and then a mix of like arts and entertainment, federal, and special interest. So it's basically a whole bunch of niches, or a whole bunch of prompts for niches that will be trending in July. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of those. So one niche that will be trending in July is going to be Shark Week. Now the phrase or the word or the keyword Shark Week is trademarked, so you can't put Shark Week in your actual title. That's actually one of the first rejections I ever got when I first started on Merch by Amazon like 7 years ago. But we can definitely make and sell shark designs. All right, so here is one of the prompts, or one of the designs. So just a boy who loves sharks. We know that this phrase sells very well, just a boy who loves, and you just pop in the niche. But since it's Shark Week, I decided to go with sharks. I think this turned out really good. Here is the prompt. And when we look at the prompts, let me get rid of that. When we look at the prompts, they're very detailed and very descriptive because I'm using these magic prompts. These are the ones that I like to use. Those have given me the best results. And you're just going to see like a comical and charming illustration of a cartoon shark wearing sunglasses and sporting a wide toothy grin. It's surrounded by bubbles, giving an image a playful underwater feel. Here you can just see it's just very descriptive, very detailed, and it gives us great results. Like even this one I think might be even better. I like the sunglasses kind of better on that one. This one looks good also. This one probably maybe more for KDP. But I think this one turned out really well. And then let me show you another one that's also in the shark niche. So here's another prompt and design for the shark niche, another popular phrase that we see sell very well. I like basically pop in the niche. I like sharks. It may be like 3 people. Again, I think this turned out well. I really like the colors. This orange right here. Some of the other ones are so. I think this is probably the second best one right here. I like the shark, how it looks nice and mean. But it looks like everything is spelled correctly. This one I think could work as well. I think this was the only one that doesn't work because it's not spelled correctly at the top, but all the other ones work well. And again, using the magic prompt, every prompt in the word file is a magic prompt. You can see a vibrant and whimsical illustration design set against a black background, just very detailed and descriptive. But now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the career prompts and designs that are in that word file. So another niche that will be trending in July is going to be the profession or the career of air traffic controller. And I actually really like selling profession or career niches. That's one of the reasons why I get a whole bunch of sales like this, because I'm in a lot of profession niches. It just seems like they work really well for like gifts. But as we can see, again, it will be trending next month, July 6th. And here is one design. It's a funny one. You get it up, all guided in. And here is what the prompt looks like. Again, magic prompt, very detailed and descriptive. And here what some of the other designs look like. But I think this one turned out best, but I think that will work as well. Everything looks like it is spelled correctly. That one not so much. This one kind of weird, the text, but I think this one is probably number 1. And this one could also work as well. And again, there's about 20 prompts in the 20 career and profession prompts in the word file. And then a food niche or food or drink niche that will be trending in July is going to be tequila. So National Tequila Day is celebrated every year, July 24th. And here's the prompt or the design that I made. I think this looks really good. I hate tequila, said no one never. Good design because it's funny. As I say always on this channel, that funny designs or play on words designs tend to sell very well. But I think this turned out very good looking. Here's some what the other designs look like. That first one I think is the best, but that one's really good. I hate tequila. Everything looks like it's spelled correctly. Even that one's good too. Both it has a bold font and then a descriptive font, but this is probably my favorite right here. And again, magic prompt, really descriptive. You see how many words are in here. So, it's very descriptive, like I keep saying. But yeah, so that is going to be one of the food prompts or food niches that I have for you in that word file. And then a federal prompt design that I want to share with you is going to be Canada Day. So July 1st right here we can see is Canada Day. Basically federal prompts are basically have to do with like countries when they have like their Independence Day. So right here we're going to see this is one of the prompts, one of the designs. The prompt is a magic prompt, again very descriptive, lots of letters or lots of words. And this turned out really good. Oh Canada, I think they all look good, but this is probably the best one. That one I think works as well. You can see very cute. And again, you can just edit these prompts. You don't have to go with, I think this is like a beaver or a squirrel. But, maybe if you want to do like a moose or some type of other, Canadian animal, that would make sense. You can do that as well. I think this looks really good right here. Definitely will work for a Canada Day. And then there's one more prompt or design that I wanted to share with you, and it is in the alien UFO niche because July 2nd is World UFO Day, and this one I just thought was so cool right here. Look how good that came out. I love the colors of the alien. Again, magic prompt, very descriptive, detailed, lots of words. This was probably the best one, but even the other ones, I think that looks good too. I just like the color on this one, but aren't these cool? So yeah, so really like this one right here. Again, that will be trending next month because it is World UFO Day. So comment below and let me know what you guys think about these designs, about these prompts. Now, if you're not interested in signing up and becoming a member on my channel, that's totally fine. I am actually offering this for sale because this is actually, only for gold members. But if you want to just purchase it, you can. So I have it on my Gumroad channel. There'll be a link in the description. It's only $9.99. Again, you get 100 prompts. I think if I do the math correctly, it's only 10 cents a prompt or 10 cents a design. And you're going to get a Word file and a PDF file. Again, 100 prompts for trending July niches. I think it's a pretty good price for the value. It took me like a week to make this. Everything is trademarked. So I trademark checked everything, but you never want to take my word for it. Always do your research. But like I said, I double checked pretty much all of them, and all of the prompts are magic prompts, very detailed, very descriptive. I think it's a good value for the price. So if you're interested, you can just purchase it, and the link will be in the description. And then if you want to learn how I get sales like this on a daily or regular basis on Merch by Amazon, and you want to become a member on my channel, all you have to do is just click this join button right here. I'm offering 3 tiers, bronze, silver, and gold. Now bronze is just if you want to support the free content. You're going to get loyalty badges and priority replies to comments. But the main value is going to be in the silver tier and the gold tier. So the silver tier is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. It's going to come out every Monday at 6 a.m. Central Time, and basically those videos are going to have 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches, and each one of those niches are going to come with a prompt. So you'll get the info, the niche, and you'll get a prompt to design and make it. And then you're also going to get a daily update. Let me show you what that looks like right here. A daily market update, So like I was saying, when you're a silver member, you're going to get these daily market updates. These are posts, so you just go to the channel, click on community, and right here you'll get all access to the daily updates. And basically what you're going to get here is you're going to get a trending niche. So every morning I post about a trending niche that I see. Let me just share with you one from 7 days ago because I don't want to show you one from today because I don't think that would be fair to the paying members. But like right here, we're going to see, the niche was something about vote brainworm. It was a political niche. I talked about why it is trending. I share with you one of the links to the designs of one of the selling t-shirts. I also offer a prompt with it, and then you even get like an example keywords of a brand title, bullet 1 and bullet 2, and I also check for trademarks. So just basically you're going to get like a trending niches posted every morning, so you'll get access to evergreen niches and also trending niches as well with the silver. And then if you sign up for the gold membership, you're going to get everything in the silver membership. but you're also going to get a Word file at the beginning of each month. It's going to be 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month, basically what I've been talking about in this video. Now the prices for these memberships is only $7 a month for the silver and only $10 a month for the gold. If for any reason this join button is not available in your country, I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price over on Patreon. You just go to the description right here and you're going to see Patreon. And again, same thing for exact same price. So you can join on YouTube or Patreon. And then if you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon and you're looking for a beginner's course, I have a really good one on Gumroad. It's only $19.99. Really good for people that are struggling to get sales, people that are like stuck in tier 10, making less than like $100 a month. I'm basically going to teach you everything that I've learned over the 7 years that I've been on Merch by Amazon. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good, doing a little over $100 a month. So like right here, $124, $99, $94, $104, $93, $121, $84, and today I'm at $62. I'm a tier 8,000 seller, and I'm just waiting any day now to get tiered up. Kind of excited or interested to see what tier they will put me at. And then if you want some freebies, you can just go to my course and then just click on my name right here. You can check out some of the other courses and products that I offer, like Etsy courses, a Redbubble course. But then I have these freebies, so 10 free Ideogram prompts for Father's Day, 50 free prompts for trending June niches, and I also have 7 free prompts for trending Redbubble niches. And then here again, if you want to purchase 10 or the 100 prompts that I was just talking about, then that is available as well. And then if you just want to enjoy the free content, you can just subscribe to the channel. I put out videos sometimes every day, sometimes 3 to 4 a week. Let me just pause this because it's going to make some noise. So you can check out my playlist. So like videos, trending niches, evergreen niches, videos about Etsy, flying research, ads. I have vlogs, so if you want to get to know me and see what my life is like behind the scenes, living down here in Mexico, get to know my family, kind of like what I do on a daily basis. Goals. I'm all about goals and being very disciplined and having action steps and all that good stuff. Self-improvement basically. And then even audiobooks. That's another way that I make money online, is selling audiobooks. I had a month where I made $1,700 selling audiobooks. So if you're interested, you can check out that content as well. Alright, so I'm going to shut up now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.